So we're continuing now with lesson 1 of our step-by-step tutorial, and we're just making sure that the style that has been selected for this UX component is IOX. So now we go back to working preview, and we can see that our list control looks like this. It has a columnar layout, but as you recall, we're trying to build a list with a different appearance, with a columnar layout, with a freeform layout, sorry. So let's go back now to design mode and then switch over to list properties. So we'll go back, click on the controls selection here in the toolbox on the left hand side, and then you can see we can go back now to list properties, and you'll see that the click button to edit prompt has now gone bold, indicating that we have begun to set properties for this list for this list control. So we're going to go back now and go over to list properties, and now we're going to change from a columnar layout to a freeform layout. So the freeform layout can basically either scroll vertically or horizontally, or snaking, which means it goes from left to right, then top to bottom. But we want a vertical list, and now we can go to list layout, and the list layout now is a freeform HTML editor here, where we can use the placeholders that represent the various columns in our list. So if we were to, for example, just simply go here and choose customer ID, and then put in a break, and then put in company name, and then put in another break, and then put in, say, contact name, and then go ahead now and preview our list, we'll see that the list now has taken a completely different appearance. We now have a freeform layout, and inside this freeform layout we can type any HTML that we want. So for example, if we wanted customer ID to be in bold, we would just put in a bold tag over here. So the freeform layout is HTML, any HTML that you want, with placeholders that represent the different fields in your selection. So the ability to use just any HTML that you want in the list template gives you enormous amount of control over the list layout, because you've got the full power of HTML behind the layout. So let's go ahead now and click OK, and then go over to working preview, and we can see now that the customer ID is now in bold, but the list is still not looking anything like the goal that we set for ourselves when we first started this. And let's go back now and take a look at what we'd like the list to look like. So if we go here and open up this component and then go over to working preview, we can see that the layout of the list that we'd like to achieve looks like this, but where we are right now is over here with this layout here. So you can see we're still quite far from having achieved this this target layout. So let's now go back to our list and start changing the HTML template so that we can achieve our target list layout. So let's go back to design mode now and click on the smart field for list properties, and go now to list layout, and here we are in the template editor for the list. And what we're going to do to get the layout that we want is choose one of the predefined templates that are available to us. So let's pause now and pick this up in the next video.